Hi, I'm Brendan Mathias. Second year here at Hawkeye in the Landscape and Turfgrass Management program. I originally went to Iowa Central. I was a poli-sci major, and I played baseball there. After my 2 years, I went to Wartburg to continue being a political science major, and ultimately it wasn't for me. I kind of felt cooped up. I wanted to be outdoors, I wanted to enjoy the sunshine, and I wanted something that would allow me to use my interest in baseball. After coming here, I was certain in what I wanted to do, but I was kind of uncertain in how I would get there. I guess what I found here was that there's a lot of good resources, and it's proved that this was the right decision for me. So my internship with the Astros, I was super fortunate. This old friend of mine contacted me and said, "Hey, they're scrambling for an intern. I know you're in Turfgrass right now. Would you be interested?" And it really kind of came out of nowhere. I was caught off guard, but I couldn't say no. It was the best opportunity. So I got into contact with them, and I was down there in January. Dan and Doug worked with me. They were definitely happy, and they definitely said, go ahead and do it, because that's our goal here, is to give you the knowledge to work a job like that. With my internship, I was super excited with getting an internship with what I wanted to do. I was also kind of scared, nervous, timid. It turns out when I got there, I was not underprepared by any means, which was really nice, really relieving, a credit to what I've learned here. I think the most rewarding thing is seeing that I can do what I set out to do through the education here in this program. I mean, at first, you never know until you jump in. At first, I wasn't sure what kind of experience and education I would get from this program, and now I'm starting to see the light at the end of the tunnel, that I am capable of a career in sports turf like I wanted to be, and just knowing that I feel prepared to that makes me feel really satisfied that I have gone through this program with these guys, and really thankful to them as well.